Good morning, respected judges of International Academic Research Competition 2024. My name is Tazrian Subha, and today I will be presenting my video pitch on the impact of pesticide exposure on mental and neurological health of rural farmers in Bangladesh. So let's get started. These are the contents for my presentation. Bangladesh's agriculture is vital to its economy, with over 40 million farmers. However, the widespread use of pesticides has raised concerns about its effect on farmers' health. Long term pesticide exposure has been linked to depression, cognitive decline, and other neurological issues globally. Yet, there is limited research on this topic in Bangladesh, making this study essential. The key question I'm exploring is how does long term pesticide exposure affect the mental and neurological health of rural farmers in Bangladesh? Pesticide exposure is a hidden risk that can have serious long term health consequences, but it's mostly underreported. My research aims to fill this gap and inform policies that can improve farmer health and well being. Globally, studies show that pesticides, particularly organophosphates, are linked to conditions like depression and cognitive impairments. Similar trends have been observed in Southeast Asia, where agricultural workers exposed to pesticides report higher rates of mental health problems. These tables and findings underscore the need for research specific to Bangladesh. While some research in Bangladesh focuses on pesticide poisoning, there is a clear gap when it comes to long term mental and neurological health effects. This can be quite fatal as it has dire consequences. My study aims to address that gap. My solution is a two pronged approach combining surveys with structured instruments and in depth interviews with farmers for personal insights. The methodologies cover both quantitative methods and qualitative methods for evaluation. Data collection is also necessary for this type of research in order to find general trends. These data analysis examples could further enhance our data. As a result, showcasing the general trends of health factors correlated to pesticide exposure on rural farmers. A qualitative questionnaire could be generated in order to ask rural farmers suggestive questions about their neurological and mental health. There are some challenges in collecting data, such as language barriers and reluctance to participate, but I plan to overcome these by working with local translators and community leaders. Additionally, I will mitigate recall bias by using both self reports and medical records. I expect to find a significant link between prolonged pesticide exposure and higher rates of depression, anxiety, and cognitive decline. Neurological symptoms like tremors and memory loss will likely be common among farmers with higher pesticide exposure. My research will provide valuable data that can guide public health policies such as beggar regulations on pesticide use. Improved farmer health will lead to higher productivity. By addressing the mental and neurological health impacts of pesticides, I can improve farmers' efficiency, which in turn can strengthen agricultural output and contribute to national economy in my country, Bangladesh. In the long run, this research could influence policy by promoting safer farming practices. To reduce pesticide exposure, I recommend health screenings, better pesticide handling education, and community awareness programs. In summary, this research will aim to provide new insights into the long term health consequences of pesticide exposure and offer practical solutions to improve farmer health and productivity in Bangladesh. This will benefit Bangladesh's rural communities and economy as a whole. These are the references I used for my presentation. Thank you for your attention.